Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's the beginning of December 2021 and guess what just arrived? My December bead boxes from Deborah Beads. Now I have two bead boxes from Deborah Beads. One is the kit box where you get everything you need to make a specific set of a necklace and earrings or bracelet and earrings usually, and I also have the bead box, which is like a themed collection of beads and jewellery findings that you can use to build up your own stash, or get your creative ideas going. So I have both of those. They're only £5 each, and that includes postage to the UK, so they're brilliant. So I have both of them now. Normally they arrive at the same time, but this time one arrived the day before yesterday and the other one didn't arrive until yesterday, so I'm afraid I had a little peek at the first one. I just had a tiny peek. I might have just peeked a little bit at the first one because I just couldn't wait. So but the other one I've left sealed so I can share the unboxing with you guys. So here's the one I've peeked in. This is the bead box, and so this will be the kit box. Right, so I love how we've got the little Christmas theme label. It says Merry Christmas from Deborah Beads. That's cute. Doesn't come with this sort of cat washi tape. I've just put that on to cover up my address. So shall we have a look? Seeing as I've already paid into this one, let's go into this one first. This is the bead box, so it's like a themed collection. Okay, we'll just get this little bit of tissue, which I always say for my collage work. And this is all lovely red, gold and green traditional Christmas colours. Let's have a little pair of scissors ready. So we've got some lovely, let's chip them into here, little glass beads. So they're not seed beads, they're bigger than seed beads. Little glass transparent red, very pretty. And then we've got this lovely gold coloured snowflake charm. Oh, I haven't got my light on there. There we go, that's better. Yeah, little gold coloured snowflake charm. There's a piece of leather thong, or it might be faux leather, I don't know, with some end clamps to finish off the thong. And we've got 3 strings of glass beads here. So there's this lovely pearlescent golden yellow ones. There's the gold and yellow transparent, not gold and yellow, gold and green transparent ones, and the frosted glass ones. I like the contrast between those different finishes. I can't make it focus properly. So you've got that pearlescent, pearly kind of finish, the clear finish, and the frosted. Yeah, I like those. I like all of them. And these are kind of seed beads, but they're the tube shaped ones. They're called bugle beads, I think. They're nice. They're a green, but they catch, they throw out different colours when they catch the light. I'm not going to bother taking them out of the bag. We've got a lovely long length of chain. I like a long chain so that I can make a really long pendant if I want to, or I could do a multi-stranded charm bracelet. I really enjoyed that with last month's kits, boxes rather. So that's the chain. We've got some kind of golden copper coloured beading wire, and we've got these beautiful little faceted crystal beads. Here we are, 6 of them. They're red, but they're throwing out pinks and golds as well as they catch the light. Very pretty. We've got this, there's always a kind of in this bead box, there's always like a mini kit to make a pair of earrings. Well, all boxes I've had. So in here we've got a couple of head pins, the earring wires, and 2 of these beautiful transparent aqua coloured star shaped glass beads. That's gorgeous. I don't generally make the earrings unless I want to make them for a gift for somebody, because I'm not an earring wearer myself, but I might start making up some sets and things and putting them in my Etsy shop in the new year. So yeah, so I might have a go at some earrings. We've got some extra jewellery findings in here, so I'm going to open this. I should open these bags more carefully really so I can reuse them. I would if I wasn't trying to film this. So we've got a little lobster, so these are all in the gold finish. A little lobster clasp, another pair of, hang on. A jump ring. And we've got 2 ear wires, but they're not matching. That's unusual. What's happened there? I wonder if the other one has gone in here by mistake. No. I think they should both have that kind of wire wrapped bit on the stem there, so I'm not sure what's happened there. But not a big problem anyway. I probably won't use them. Anyway, probably. So drop that in there as well. And then we got one of these nice clasps which I can use. So it's a double-stranded one, so I could use it for a necklace or a bracelet actually. And just do a double-stranded. And that piece of chain is long enough to make even a double-stranded necklace actually. Yeah. It would be short for me, but I could do it. Or I could make one of the strands could be wired, because that's quite a long piece of wire as well. So I'll have a mull over, as I always do, mull over for a couple of days before I decide what I'm going to do with this kit. I think I've gone through everything in there. Let's go into the other box. I'm just going to tip all of these in here, I think, so I don't lose them. And what I've done the last couple of months is I've mashed up the contents of both boxes and made them in and done one project. So last time I made a couple of boho style multi-stranded bracelets. I really enjoyed making those, and some rings. I might do them again. We'll see. This would be a better way of opening this one. So this is the kit box, which will have everything I need to make a specific jewellery set. Normally the boxes have similar themes, so they kind of coordinate. Oh, now there was a sweetie in this one, but when I peeked, I ate it. It was a Cadbury's caramel or something. So this time I've got a cream egg. We don't always get sweeties in here. It's obviously a Christmas special. Thank you, Deborah. So festive crackle bracelet and earrings. Let's have a look. So these are the same. So these will mix together very happily. So we've got 12 green and yellow glass beads, 16 crackle glass beads. I must take these out to show you, because I've had the crackle glass beads before and they're so pretty. I'm not sure how well the camera will pick it up. They're quite large. Are they 8mm probably? I think so. I'm not sure if I can get it to focus. It's focusing beautifully on all the lines in my hand. Yeah, you can sort of see there the sort of crackles inside the bead. It's reflecting back, that little white circle is reflecting back the ring light. But yeah, you can just about make out there all the different kind of, it looks like shards inside the glass. So they all throw off the light in a really pretty way. So that's nice. So this is to make bracelet and earrings. And there's some red wire and a couple of wire crimps you can just about make out in there. They look like tiny metal beads, and they just help to finish the ends of the wire. And then we've got jump rings and a lobster clasp and a couple of culotte crimps as well. I could just make these as suggested, and instead of the earrings just make a longer bracelet, or make a little charm to add to it. Or I could, and this is what I think I'm going to do, is I can sew the whole lot in together and make another one of those multi-stranded boho style bracelets, because I really enjoyed that and I think I would wear that a lot. And I've got enough here to make a matching ring as well. Or just make a little charm that looks like a cluster of holly berries or something like that. And then this charm could also be incorporated. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the leather. It won't actually fit through any of the beads that I've got here in either of the kits, so I will have to do something else altogether with that. But it's lovely leather. It's that natural colour, but it's got a beautiful metallic finish to it. It's really pretty in real life. I don't know how well that's going to show. It's always the trouble when you're trying to film something. So yeah, just to give you a quick look in case you haven't seen before, the instructions that come with these kit boxes, so this is the Deborah Beads kit box, they're really good. They list everything, so you start to learn what everything is. So it's quite hard. I wouldn't have known those were culotte crimps, for example, until I started doing these kits. And then blow by blow, really clear instructions with a nice big photograph, so you know exactly what you're aiming at. And it takes you through every step of the way. So they're really good, and I did always used to make up the kit as per the instructions, because I quite enjoyed, it's quite relaxing just following instructions. But these days I've kind of started to go my own way, throw them both in together and see what I can come up with as I've sort of grown in confidence. So I learned from having the kits, and now I'm sort of going my own way a bit more. So that's it. That's the contents of my bead kits from Deborah Beads this month. I will, as always, mull it over for a couple of days, and then I will come back and show you what I've decided to make. Thanks very much for joining me today. Hope you found it interesting. I'll leave a link to Deborah Beads below if you want to check that out for yourself. I've also signed up for another kind of bead box, which I hope will arrive in the new year, just to try out something different. But that's going to be coming from America, so I don't know. It could take ages to get here. I would prefer to deal with somebody in the UK, but I found it quite hard to find a kit box for jewellery in the UK. So anyway, we'll see. Watch this space if you like this kind of thing. And as I say, I'll see you in a couple of days to make all these into something gorgeous, hopefully. Thanks very much for joining me today, and I will see you again really soon. Bye.